talk. Let's talk. Oof, it's been a while. I just finished a kickboxing class. Yeah, I just finished a kickboxing class. It's raining. It's Belgian summer. It's raining. It's okay. No matter the weather. We are good. I was like, it's been a while, let's talk. So sometimes I feel, yeah, we should. I have no idea where I'm even going to go with this today, with this talk. Except for the fact that I was just thinking, like, it's been almost 2 years. I cannot even compare boxing, kickboxing, but for me it's a 7 a.m. class, and that I've built it up since past 2 years, and tried my best to learn, and I have no idea if I've progressed also, because sometimes, like I always say, how can I measure my progress? Well, that's for the coach to say it to me, and whatever it is, it's okay. At least I'm continuously doing it, and I feel I'm always learning something new about myself in these classes. Meet people also at the same time, and I try not to overdo it, but stay quite committed to this class in a way, because it's not a gym class. Like I always say, it's not a gym class for me. It's not a workout class for me. It's something more than that. So where am I going with this? I realized after 2 years, the coaches change, the class timetable will change, the timings will change, and things change outside. Things change, the schedule of the classes change, the coaches change, things outside of us change, and comes a point where we are not sure if we can continue with these classes, because it may not fit in my schedule, or the timings. It's about matching your timing with that particular class timing that will be available. So that pretty much says a lot in other life classes too, like in other things that we do in life too. The timing is not right. The timings is not right. Our timings are not matching. I want to go at a 7 a.m. class, but they no longer will offer, for example, they will no longer offer a 7 a.m. class. So I will either have to switch my whole thing to match that timing of the class if I want to continue, or I may just have to switch to something else. Some other class, if I want to stay true to that timing of a 7 a.m., I might just shift to what is available at that time. Okay? Or if I really want that class, I will switch my whole schedule and go for that class that is available at that time. Same goes in life. Sometimes we must choose. What do we really want? Is it the kickboxing that we want? Then, for example, whatever it may be for you, you want something XYZ, but the timings are not matching, or it's not fitting in your life anymore. What are you going to do? Are you going to, in that space, fit something new? Or because you want that, you are willing to shift your entire thing just to have that match up in your life? Now, this is a very interesting point to figure out in life, because once again, I'm going to repeat this, because I want you to understand what I'm saying here. So, for example, the 7 a.m. class of kickboxing, and it can be anything in life. Now, that won't be available anymore. Yeah. So, if I want to state now the dilemma, or this is just not a dilemma. The choice that I'll have to make is: do I want to stay true to my 7 a.m. routine or a morning class routine? So then I will just switch to whatever is available at that particular time. I will just go for that. Okay, so I'm staying true to the timing factor. But now if I want to choose the kickboxing, if I want to stay true or committed to the kickboxing, then I will have to give up on the timing. I would have to be flexible. I would not say give up. I would say be flexible on the timing. Yeah. So what I will do is I will shift other things in my life to now go for the class that is available. In this case, it's going to be available in the evenings. But we are comparing this with anything else in life too, that the decision sometimes you have to make is on the point of, do you want to stay true to the timing? Then whatever is available and that fits in that timing, you will go for that. Or you want to stay committed to that particular activity or that thing or whatever, and you're willing to switch your entire life for it. Are you understanding me where I'm going with? I'm giving you an example of a class, a workout class or gym class, but it can be anything in life. So now, if for example, if I switch to the evening class, so the morning time frame is open for me, right? So I'm going to have to switch a lot of things, right or wrong, yeah? Because I built up this 2 years, and for us, it's not only 2 years. A lot of things we've built it up around that time frame. This is what we do in the morning. This is where we rush to our job or work or whatever in the morning. Now suddenly, if I want to do this time frame is, I'm going to have to give it, it's going to be free. Yeah, there's space created because now it's an evening job, for example, or an evening something class or something else. I'm shifting based on the, I'm going to shift based on the thing that I want or the timing I want. I hope I'm able to explain properly. Are you understanding me? And that is something we each must decide for ourselves. That what is more important, the morning routine is important, then I will just switch it up with fill it up with another class, or I am learning something from this class that I am willing to switch my entire gym schedule or morning schedule to fit around this evening class, because my priority or my criteria is that I want to learn kickboxing, or I want to be there for that kickboxing, and I want that kickboxing in my life at any cost. So I'm willing to switch around a lot of things in my life. It's just an example. It can be anything that you're trying to switch around. So you must decide what is important for you. Are you understanding me? Are you understanding me? So for example, let's say this time frame or this space is created. It can be with relations also. It can be with job. It can be with career. This is just an example I'm giving you with kickboxing. I really hope I'm so clear in making my point here. And this is something I'm going to figure it out as and when it comes. Until then, I'm going to show up for my 7 a.m. class. But as and when the time comes, I think I may just switch a little bit here and there and be flexible, because I want that particular thing in my life. I'm going to do whatever it takes. And if it means I need to switch or be flexible with my schedule, I will do it. I will do it because I want to be there. I want that class to be there. There are a lot of other options too. I mean, I can join another club that offers a morning class, for example. But why would I? Because I'm paying for this. So options are there. There are a lot of possibilities, but the point I'm trying to make here is something else. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. This was, as always, like I say, it's like on the spur of the moment. I never really know what I'm going to go with these impromptu car talks, because I just turn it on, the camera, and I know something has to come out. And there's always some important lesson that reveals itself to me through these talks. I would say go through all the car drive talks that I've created, that whole playlist on YouTube, because what happens is it may be long, but I build it up as and when I talk. Something comes out and I build it up. So of course there are going to be a lot of breaks and a lot of repetitions, and it's not like a written script that I'm speaking out loud. It's just that something is coming out, and it is valuable for all, for me to even share something like this without editing. You know what I mean? and I never know if I look good or something also, but it is okay. The point is the words that are coming out of my mouth, and are you able to grasp the lesson that I am trying to convey with this car drive talks? Yes. So I'm not going to stretch it, but I hope you understood what I was trying to convey here. Yes. So have a good day, guys, and see you soon.